Next is what is hypothesis. Then kinds of hypothesis: explanatory, descriptive, analogical, ad hoc, and working. Then conditions: relevance, self consistency, testability, simplicity. Then use of language: informative use, evaluative use, expressive use, evocative use, evaluative use, performative use. Then impediments of good reasoning. Impediments means obstruction. In that there are 5 reasons: lack of adequate vocabulary, then desire to be tolerant and open-minded, misunderstanding point, misconception and prejudice, and use of argument stopper. Next is what is syllogism. It's a mediate inference in which conclusion is deduced from the two premises. It is composed of a 3 proposition. The first 2 propositions are the premise and the third is the conclusion. Example of syllogism. Next question is state the rules of figure number 2. So you can directly write the rules of figure number 2. Then what are the Collery's rules of syllogism? There are 3 rules. No conclusion can be drawn from the 2 particular premises. When one premise is particular, conclusion will be particular, and when major premise is particular and minor premise is negative, then no conclusion can be drawn. Now reduce the following rule directly. Darapti. So here when the rule is given, mood name is given Darapti. Then first we have to write the mood. Darapti means AAI. Then in that form we have to write Darapti. Darapti means this mood comes from the third figure. So in this way we have to write all M is P, all M is S, and I means some S is P. That's why it's necessary to know the table. For the reduction there are rules. So in this the P presents in Darapti's spelling. So letter P means it indicates the conversion per accident of the proposition after which it occurs. Means only we have to write what the letter P indicates. And directly Darapti is reduced to Dari. So in the Dari, in this way we have to write this form. Always remember one thing. When the reduction question is asked, that do the reduction of chemistries, then from whatever the mood has came, from the figure number 2, 3 or 4, always we have to reduce it in the mood number 1. Means if chemistries has came, then first we have to write it in the form of second figure, and we will reduce it in the Celerant because it is C, this is C. If Festinois came, then we have to reduce it into the Ferio. Ferrison into Ferio. Fesapo, Frazison into Ferio. Means whatever the figure name comes, we have to reduce it in the mood figure number 1. Only we have to see the starting letter. It's D, then it's Dari. Now here the F means we have to reduce it into the Ferio. It's B means Barbara. In this way we have to do the reduction.